Uh-oh. 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 Uh-oh.
Come along, folks. We need to take a walk. Today's video is brought to you by eWin Racing, the best source for gaming chairs and desks for those long gaming sessions. We have a playlist of our eWin chair and desk videos linked in the video description below. Save 30% off of everything using the discount code TechDeals. More details at the end of the video. I am not throwing stones from glass houses here because I have been very foolish throughout my life with money. I've talked about that in previous live streams. I have made many poor choices. So if you have made poor financial choices, you are not a terrible, horrible person. You are what is called a human being. It means you're alive. That's okay. Having said that, if you're listening to me now, if you don't have the financial discipline to take the money you earn each month and save it in the hip pocket national bank, meaning you save your money instead of spending it when it comes in, then perhaps you need to solve that problem before you worry about your next gaming computer. That is a bigger deal than whatever computer you buy or build. Learning how to pay yourself first and put money into your own pocket and keep it without spending it so it's not burning a hole in your pocket. That is one of the most useful life skills you can learn, because if you master that, the growth in money will help you solve most other problems in your life. Money doesn't solve everything, but money solves a lot of the practical life problems. Housing, food, cars, computers. It solves those issues. It doesn't solve love. It doesn't solve family, typically, although it can gloss over some of those issues. But, money doesn't buy love. Money buys companionship, but it doesn't buy love. But money will buy a computer, it'll buy a house, it'll buy a car, it'll buy food, it'll buy Roga steak dinner. And so save up your money, and when you have all the money at one time to buy all your computer parts at once, and they all arrive at once, and you build your machine, and if anything doesn't work, it's all within the 30-day return policy.
Exactly.
Then you're doing it right. And may I further submit that if you're having to save up every month, if you're doing it because you're also saving money into retirement accounts, investment accounts, you're building towards a house fund, a down payment, if you've got other savings, fine. But if you're saving up every month, and when you go to build your computer, it's every dollar you have. It's like, oh, finally, after 6 months, I saved up $1,500, and now I can go buy a computer. Great. What other savings do you have? Huh? What other savings do you have? Have you also been saving money every month towards your Roth IRA or your retirement or whatever it is in your country? What are you talking about, man? Now we really need to take a walk.
Well, that's why Dave created baby steps, for that reason.
Yes, but not everybody watches Dave. They can watch papadeals.
They can.
And I can talk to you about all of the things that I wish somebody had taken me when I was 16, 18, and 20 years old. And for that matter, 24 and 28 years old as well. And pulled me aside and sat me down and said, son,
let's have a chat. Let's take a walk.
I wish I had had somebody to say this to me. Hopefully I'm at that to at least one person. And with that being said, moving on. eWin Racing has a wide selection of chairs to fit all shapes and sizes of gamers, ranging from petite to cuddly. They have something for every type of gamer. Not just sizes, but colors and material options as well, including red, blue, purple, pink, orange, and more, plus cloth and leather choices. We have over half a dozen chair and desk videos in a playlist down in the video description below. We also have a very special offer just for Tech Deals viewers. Save 30% off of everything using discount code TechDeals using our link in the video description. We have used eWin gaming chairs for 3 years in our office, sitting on them for up to 8-hour marathon live streams. They are very comfortable, and we are happy to work with eWin to bring you this special discount and recommend eWin for all of your gaming chair and desk needs.